gonna make YouTube and we're gonna watch this.
Hi guys, my name is Jamie. Yes, we're gonna make YouTube.
And the things to do is scotch tape, scissors, paper, and the pencil and ball pen. Okay, we start this challenge. We're gonna this paper is we're gonna fold in 2 folds. Okay? Because we make envelope to my big sim. Okay, make some scotch tape. In the open it challenge, we're gonna score in 200 millimeters. And we're gonna scotch tape the envelope. Can sear. Okay. Oh, so hard. Okay. This is the envelope we're gonna make. Then we're gonna write the from and to. The from is for your giving, and the to for the cake. Okay? Wait first. Thank you for watching and subscribe.
Please subscribe.